Hello, let me tell us something today. It is very, very important I let you guys know exactly what is going on. If part of your dreams, one out of your dreams is traveling to abroad, please remove America, remove Russia, remove China out of your abroad that you want to go. Do you understand what I'm saying? Sometimes a lot of us we go to churches and the man of God, so-called men of God, we give us prophecy of brother, sister. I see you. I see you in my dreams or in my whatever. I saw you in Texas. The other brother, I saw you in St. Petersburg. Oh, I saw you in Shanghai, in China. Tell your pastor to stop those prophecies. Let me tell you one secret. Is it Germany that you want to go? Germany don't need you. Don't need anybody anymore. Let me shock you. Do you know so many people that are right now in abroad, many of them are not supposed to be in abroad. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, let's look at it in this way. We know that home is not better, but so many of us forced ourselves to go to abroad. And sincerely speaking, when you see those ones that we are not meant to be in abroad, you see that they are not in abroad. They are even behaving as low as people back home. Even people back home are behaving better off than them. Do you get the point? So, and these are some of those people that the men of God gave prophecy. I see you in this place. I saw you in that place. And when you put some of these things in their mind, it's as if you have induced them. Then they will start making plans to travel abroad by force, anyhow, and whatever it's going to take, they must go to abroad. And when you see those guys in abroad, they are not in abroad. Do you understand what I'm saying? So remove America in your mind. Of course, you can see what is happening in America right now. A lot of them that went there on their own, forcefully, they are coming back, no doubt. Trump is not playing. He's not playing. He's not joking at all. Trump does not care. He's already planning everything very, very well to bring those people those men of God sent to abroad for their own selfish ends. Many of them will be coming back to come and join them. Only God knows what will become of people all over the world with this outcome of Trump deporting people per minute on a daily basis. Every aircraft that left the United States of America carries deported individuals from different countries. This is what we are saying. Do not let your man of God or anybody, your family, your friends, lure you into traveling when you are not meant to travel. This is all I've got for you guys today. Do have a good day and meet you in the comment section. I'm out of here. Thank you.